Channel V8X. Let's fire it up. Fire. Welcome back to the channel where torque meets attitude, design meets dominance, and trucks are judged with zero mercy. Today, we're diving headfirst into something bold, aggressive, and seriously eye-catching, the 2026 Mitsubishi Triton in metallic orange. Right from the jump, this truck doesn't whisper for attention, it demands it. That metallic orange paint isn't just a color, it's a statement. It pops under studio lights, glows under the sun, and absolutely owns the road at night. This is Mitsubishi saying, "Yeah, we're back, and we're loud about it." Let's start with the front view, because that's where the intimidation begins. The grille is wide, squared off, and unapologetically tough. Those sharp LED headlights cut forward like blades, giving the Triton a confident, almost aggressive stare. Head on, this truck looks planted, muscular, and ready to move mountains. Slide over to the side view, and the design language really stretches out. The body lines are clean but powerful, the stance is wide, and the proportions scream capability. You've got strong shoulders, a high ride height, and wheels that look ready for dirt, gravel, or asphalt, no excuses. From the side, the 2026 Triton looks like it's in motion even when it's parked. Now check out the back view. This is where rugged meets refined. The rear end is solid and functional, with bold taillights and a tough-looking bumper that reinforces this truck's work-ready DNA. It doesn't try to be flashy back here, it's confident, clean, and built with purpose. Step inside, and the dashboard completely changes the vibe. The interior feels modern, driver-focused, and surprisingly premium. Digital displays, a clean infotainment setup, and subtle orange accents tie everything together. This is a cabin designed for long drives, daily use, and real-world comfort, not just show. Pop the hood and take in the engine view. The Triton's powertrain is all about durability and torque. You're looking at an engine bay that's clean, purposeful, and engineered to handle work, towing, and tough conditions without drama. This truck isn't pretending to be strong, it actually is. From above, the drone view really sells the proportions. You see how balanced the truck is, how well the design flows from front to back. On trails, city streets, or wide-open terrain, the Triton looks planted and confident from every angle. Then comes the highway shot, and this is where the Triton surprises people. Smooth, stable, and composed at speed, it doesn't feel like a stiff work truck. It feels controlled, modern, and ready for long hauls with ease. Finally, the night shot. This is where the metallic orange paint truly shines. Reflections, glowing LEDs, and that bold color create a dramatic, almost cinematic presence. At night, the 2026 Triton looks straight up dangerous, in the best way possible. Now let's talk numbers. The 2026 Mitsubishi Triton is expected to come in with a starting price around the mid-$30,000 range, depending on trim and market. And for what you're getting, design, capability, tech, and presence, that's a seriously competitive price point. So yeah, this isn't just another pickup. This is a statement truck. Bold color, strong design, and real-world capability wrapped into one aggressive package. Channel V8X. If you felt that rumble, you already know what to do. Subscribe, stay loud, and we'll see you in the next one. Rocket Collision.